Sebastian's birthday party. Nerf Gun War. It's on.
Get your gun.
We have our tree crew who are being monitored very carefully to make sure that we don't have a child fall out of the tree that we are responsible for. Like that. And negotiations of who's on what team and how to divide up bullets. But thus far, we only have one minor injury that occurred on entry of the party, as one child shot a bow and arrow, which is not a Nerf gun type, at the eye of a child entering the party, which did not go over well with his mother. But thus far, we are in safe territory.